All right, we need some fettuccine, some flour, butter, capers, onions, lemon, shrimp, chicken stock, Parmesan cheese. What are we making? We're making shrimp piccata. Bread that shrimp in some flour, a good amount of flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, get it on the stove, add your onions, your capers, your shrimp, everything. A little bit of basil, I didn't show you there. Okay, saute this till it gets nice color. We want that pink on that shrimp, right? Flip it. The juice of half a lemon and about a 1/4 cup of chicken stock. That flour on that shrimp is gonna make this sauce kind of nice and a little thick. Add your fettuccine, give it a good toss. Don't forget salt and pepper and a lot more Parmesan cheese. We know I'm not the cheese police, so as much as you want, go for it. Oh, this is so good, you guys. It's lemony, it's cheesy, a little bit more fresh basil, more Parmesan cheese, and let's not forget the lemon zest ever. That brightens up a dish really beautiful. I mean, come on, look at this. This is a Valentine's Day dish if I ever did see one.